Welcome back to Review Tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a smart discount pop-up for your Shopify store. A well-timed pop-up can do wonders for your business. By offering visitors a discount when they need it most, you can nudge them toward making a purchase and reduce cart abandonment. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Create discount code to your pop-up. From your Shopify admin, click on Discounts in the left menu. Then, click Add Discount and select Discount Type. Here, you choose the amount off order to discount the total order amount. Next, choose a discount code, for example, Review of 20 foot. Next, set the discount value, like 20%. You can also set some other information and running time for this discount code. Then don't forget to save the discount code. Step 2. Choose and install a Shopify pop-up app. Similar to installing other apps, from Shopify admin, navigate to Apps, then click Apps and Sales Channels setting. Next, go to Shopify App Store. Here, search for Popup. There are several great apps available. Today, I'll be using Shopify Sales Pop-up Proof because it's simple, effective, and offers powerful customization features. Then scroll to Shopify Sales Pop-up Proof and click it. Click the Install button and follow the prompts to add app. Alright, the app is ready to go. Let's start building our first pop-up. Step 3. Create your discount pop-up. In the Shopify onboarding, click Create a Campaign. Next, select Pop-up Campaign and then hit Create New Campaign button. Now, choose a discount pop-up template that matches your store's style, like Offer Discount Coupon Pop-up or Subscribe to Show Discount Code Pop-up. Here, I create an Offer Discount Coupon Pop-up template. Step 4. Customize your discount pop-up. You can add a pop-up title to promote action, like Limited Time Offer. Then, in the pop-up description box, keep the suggestion text as default is also a great idea. After that, input your discount code into the box. You can enable countdown feature for pop-up to increase conversion rate. Besides, you can also customize the pop-up style design to match your brand, change layout, fonts, colors, and even add eye-catching animations. Keep it simple but attractive. Don't forget to set the location where you want the pop-up to appear in the Display on Page checkbox. I will select All Page to increase recognition with customers when visiting the store. Once you're satisfied, click Save. And that's it. Your pop-up is now live and ready to engage your visitors. You now know how to create a smart discount pop-up on Shopify. By setting up a well-timed pop-up, you can capture leads, boost sales, and keep your visitors engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.